Hello? Hello. Welcome to Trailer Trash RC. Today we're going to be unboxing the all-new Arrma Outcast 8S. Every subscriber matters. Oh no, oh God.
My wife is not gonna like that.
Oh no. You might be wondering why I'm wearing this helmet. Well, the answer to that is simple. First of all, we're going to be jumping off of this jump. Yeah. As you can see, it's not like my other ones because it's not so tall. But it's pretty long. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment too. Okay? Okay. Hopefully we don't break too many parts today. And you gotta move. Excuse me. Get out of the frame, please. Oh my God. Oh, it's okay. Yep, all good. What's so funny? Wow, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at this thing. She is absolutely beautiful. Oh, the wheelie bar is incredible. Oh, everything looks really, really well built. Shocks are absolutely massive. And this paint job is decent. I'm excited for more colors to come out, but this is super cool. Anyway, okay, here we go. I guess we'll go ahead and drive it now. This is stock pinion and everything. Hey, what the heck? Go! You go!
It was at this moment where I knew I messed up pretty bad.
Oh God.
My wife is not gonna like that. Not at all.
Okay. Oh yeah. All good. Oh. Oh no. What? What? No. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, shoot. I don't even know what to say right now. Okay. Well, clearly this did absolutely freaking nothing. What do you think? Yeah, I know, ridiculous. Well, that's a new one. Bet you haven't seen that one yet, have you? Oh, shoot. Oh, great. Oh, crap. Oh, shoot. Oh. Oh, shoot. Crap. Hey, make sure you subscribe. Every subscriber matters, and that means you matter too. Hey, we got t-shirts. Come buy one. So let me know if you're interested in a t-shirt. DM me on Instagram, or which is Trailer Trash RC, Trailer Trash _RC, or oh, I dropped that in my hair. What the frick? Or just leave a comment and then we'll figure it out from there. Okay? So anyway, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. And hey, get yourself one of these if you can. Oh my goodness, it's a freaking monster, dude. It really incredible. Once it's geared properly, and that's pretty much it. I mean, once it's geared properly, this thing is absolutely a stunt monster. I want to get it to where we can probably do like double backflips and stuff maybe one day. It is a stunt truck, so why not? Oh, we got a 30 lens here. There we go. But man, for now I'm absolutely thrilled. And yeah, so anyway, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
For those of you who are not subscribed yet, click the dang button. Click the thing. Also, buy a t-shirt.